Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Douyin account outside China. So just open up any of your browser, or if you have downloaded the application of Douyin, doesn't really matter. So just open Douyin. Just write down the name and they will take you to the Douyin website, or you can just open the website or the application as well. And once you are here, let me just close its sound. And once you're at the home page of the Douyin, or you have like installed the application, I'm using the web because inside the mobile application you are unable to convert language, but inside the section you can just convert the language easily. You can just click on login, and after that they will ask you to like use phone or your use password. That depends on you. So choose the country code. Make sure to choose your country, whatever your country is. Choose the country, enter it, enter the code, and log in or sign up. Use password if you already have an account, but let's say if you want to create an account, so you can just directly create it from that option as well. That process is also a bit easy. So let's say if you're facing any kind of problem while creating an account, you can just go to Google and join help support or support help, something like that. You can just write down directly, and like there are multiple pages, you can say they will lead you directly to their you can say the help section or the help article. So make sure that you convert the language. Let's just go into translate. Pages loading. So after that the language will be converted easily from this section, so you can convert the language. Contact them that like you're not able to like you, for some reason your code is not working, or you are facing any kind of other problem, and after that they might be able to help you. And once done, you will be able to use Douyin and create your account and use it outside China. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.